Hello friends, how are you? So today we are going to do another fun activity that has been taken from your book Marigold Class 5 NCERT from the chapter Wonderful Ways. And to get to this activity, you have to open your book and turn to page number 13. So let's see what do we have to do in this activity. So this activity is based on recipe sequencing. What is recipe sequencing? Let's see. A recipe is a list of directions to prepare a dish. So in the previous video, we learned what ingredients are. So ingredients are the things that are used to prepare a dish. So what is a recipe? It is a list of direction. The recipe tells us how to make the dish, how to use those ingredients and prepare a dish. That is a recipe. So now that we know what recipe means, let's see what do we have to do. The following sentences are not in order for preparing avial. So this is the recipe of avial, but it is in the jumbled form. It is not in the correct order. What we have to do is number them in the correct order. We have to number them in the correct order. So to help us, they have already put one in front of this sentence, and this tells us that this is the first step of the avial recipe. So let us read all the sentences first and then we'll start sequencing them. Grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. Cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. Wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Decorate with curry leaves. Whip some curd and mix it in. Pour some coconut oil on top. Avial is ready. So the first step, as we already know, is wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Next step would be, yes, you are correct. Cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. After washing and cleaning the mix of vegetable bits, we have to cut them into long strips. Next, what do we have to do? Next, we have to grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. So after cutting the vegetable scraps, what do we have to do? Grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. Next, we have to whip some curd and mix it in. So after grinding coconut, green chilies, what do you have to do? Whip some curd and mix it in this mixture. Next, pour some coconut oil on top. After whipping some curd and mixing it in with the mixture, we have to pour some coconut oil on top. And the second last step is decorate with curry leaves. And then at last, our avial is ready. So this is the recipe of avial. So in this recipe, could you figure out or could you find all the ingredients? Let's see. So in this sentence, we have the ingredients coconut, green chilies and garlic. In this sentence, the ingredients are vegetable scraps, and in the next we have vegetable bits, and here we have curry leaves. In the next we have the curd, and here we have coconut oil. So the thing that I have marked in yellow are the ingredients. So now you know the difference between recipe and ingredient. You know what do you have to do now? You have to write the recipe of your favorite dish. Okay, let's meet another time with another fun activity for more story. Until then, bye bye.